Hey y'all, welcome back. So the last thing I've got are the corsages, and I've already done all these for the moms and the grandmothers. These are just a couple of them. I've already got all these put together. And I put tags on them. So you want to, if you're making corsages like that for a bunch of people, yes, remember to just pin little tags to them so you'll know whose are whose. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do this last one. And I've ran out of large pink roses, so I'm going to have to work with what I've got. So I've already wrapped 3 little white roses together here. So I've got that going. And let's see, I'm going to get some of this eucalyptus, I think, put in here. Actually like that. I've cut 2 little pieces of ribbon. I've got my petal wire I cut. And I'm just wrapping a piece of wire around it. Looping around. Get it really tight and then twist it. And this is how I make these right here. It looks like it's part of the bow, but it's just a little trick. Okay, and I make those and stick them in. And they'll be put in different spots. So that's just a little trick there you can do. does look real pretty. Okay, this is what I have so far. You can see where I've put the ribbon right here. Hey y'all, sorry about losing some of the footage on showing you how to make the corsage. The camera had died, battery needed to be charged apparently, so I do apologize for that, but I do have all the corsages here placed in the box. I'm going to take them out one by one and just show them all to you. Here are the mother's corsages. You can see I've got pearls here, some pearls there. Got 2 big roses on each end of them. So that's each one of the mother's corsages. And then the grandmother's. These are the grandmother's corsages. That's one there. Here's one here. And then this is one here. And I'm really happy with them. I think they all turned out really nice. Okay. And then the last one is, did one for the coordinator. She's also the photographer. So we did one for her. And this is the one I was trying to show you how to make. It was just a real simple, easy one. We did a little spray, or I did a little spray up here of the pearls and stuck some tulle right up in here, then some ribbon here and up here. I was showing you how to do that, I think, when the camera had stopped. So I think that turned out really sweet. I used a different pink than I did on these. And the reason I did that was because these flowers, this pink matched these roses here. And since I didn't have those roses in this one, and I just had this pink here matched this. So I just figured it matched a little bit better. So there's all the corsages. So I finally got all those done. And then I wanted to show you also, this is what she's putting her rings in. And I just put some leftover leaves and a little bit of that lace from BB Craft, cut it into the shape of a heart, and they can lay their rings right on top. So this is their ring box. Isn't that sweet? So we've got that. And this is her serving set. I don't know if you can see it inside the cellophane or not. Maybe you can. I just put a little one of these little rhinestone things on it. Just kind of twisted it on. I didn't even use any hot glue. I twisted it on there and used a really small, thin silver ribbon to tie a bow. So I decorated that up. And she wanted a flower arrangement for the front. So this was just leftover stuff that I kind of just threw together and made a quick and easy flower arrangement in this little wooden box that I got from the thrift store that I had in my stash. And I made a quick, simple flower arrangement. So it's just nothing to it. It was just putting the leftover stuff in there, and then I put some of that lace in there to cover up what it said. I did it on both sides so it would, you know, match. And it's going to sit in the front of the church. And then we have this bucket here that I found that I'm going to use. She's got these wooden hearts that she wants everyone to sign. It's kind of like a guest book thing, and they drop them in this picture frame. She got it at Hobby Lobby. She wanted something to put the hearts in, so that's what I'm going to use that bucket for. And I think I got this at a thrift store too one time a while back. So that's it. That's everything. I'm done. I'm going to go get my bath and go to bed. And by the time all this is up, oh, I'll be taking this too and probably writing something on it. Like, congratulations, Joe and Shelby, or something like that. I don't know. I'll have to ask her what she wants. But anyway, I thank y'all for watching. And by the time this is up, wedding will be over with, and I'll share pictures and probably some video footage and everything, and all that on my channel. But I appreciate y'all watching all this. And y'all please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Tell me what you think, how you like everything. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please remember to subscribe. And please remember, when you subscribe, to click the bell for all notifications. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. And come back again.